and log your data. So this is like 3.7, 3.8 volts. Keep up the speed, gets this to 6.5. It gets us to almost 8 volts or over 8 volts now. So if you want to give your kids the opportunity to run any of the vertical ones or something that looks like an anemometer or something, you're going to have to figure out a way to just maybe have two, one with a vertical motor, because all these are the Fisher Tech motors. So if you have Fisher Tech, you should have tons of these things laying around. It just tells you that you can use any kind of a pancake motor, but these things are already mounted. They've got a couple leads already coming out. So if you have Fisher Tech stuff that you can scrounge up, these things were hardly ever used when you were actually doing Fisher Tech stuff, and they come in perfect for this.
So if we don't have Fisher Tech stuff, or need
then
to build
you're gonna have to just track down some little tiny pancake motor. So.
But did you build the tower, the PVC stuff?
Yep, and it shows you in the activity that, well, it showed you on that PowerPoint slide too, but that's basically, they show it being put on a board. This was just stuff they had laying in here, so I just drilled a hole in this cap, put in a piece of pipe, put an elbow on it, drilled a hole in the elbow, and then I just glued this to the front of it. So basically what you need to do is, here's the material that we have, and what I do is just give the kids the material. I'll have some strips of foam up there. They've got our shop that's got a drill press or whatever, and you need to come up with as a group or individually, like I said, something that's going to mount on this shaft and be able to be spun by the turbine. Okay, so look at that activity